When you come to Fitzroy Island, you'll find more than beautiful tropical rainforests, panoramic views and white sandy beaches. You'll find some pretty dynamic environmental projects at play as well, including the Turtle Rehabilitation Centre. There's also aquaponics farms, so that the food that you eat at the resort has been grown on site. And most importantly, the Reef Restoration Foundation's coral nurseries, where we're growing as many corals as we possibly can to replant on the Great Barrier Reef. We've established a network of coral nurseries here at Fitzroy Island. Each nursery comprises 10 metal tree frames suspended in the water column. Our team of divers collect coral pieces from donor colonies on the seabed and attach them to the tree frames, whereupon they'll stay on those frames for about 6 or 7 months until they become semi-mature colonies and can be planted back out onto the reef. It's a demonstration of site stewardship led by the Fitzroy Island Resort to demonstrate the custodial approach to the reefs adjacent to their property. A key pillar of Reef Restoration's mission is to educate and make more aware of the state of the Great Barrier Reef and what you and the community can do to assist. And it's only through having visitors come to the island that we're able to get our message across and to demonstrate that something can be done and something very positive is being done.